Are you getting the Wi-Fi connection lost error on your Google TV with random disconnections? This usually happens because of weak Wi-Fi signals, router compatibility issues, or sometimes a software glitch. Here are the 2 best solutions to fix this fast. Solution 1. Forget and reconnect to Wi-Fi. Go to your Google TV home menu, use your remote to navigate to the gear icon. Click OK on your remote to open settings. Now go to Network and Internet. Make sure that Wi-Fi itself is turned on here. After that, select your Wi-Fi from here and scroll down to the bottom of its setting. Choose Forget Network and confirm your choice. After that, go back to Network and Internet, find your Wi-Fi again, then re-enter your Wi-Fi password and connect again. See if that fixes the issue. Solution 2. Update Google TV software. Sometimes the issue is caused by a bug in the system software. Go back to Settings from your home menu. Scroll down to Device Preferences. Open About. Now select System Update. Select Check for Update and click OK on your remote. Now your TV will look for any possible updates. Install any available updates. Google frequently includes Wi-Fi fixes in updates. And that's it. With these 2 solutions, your Google TV should stop dropping its Wi-Fi connection. If this video helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick fixes. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.